Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a scatter chart in Microsoft Excel using some simple example data. Scatter charts are a great way to visualize the relationship between two variables. We will be using the example of productivity data across different times of the day. As you can see in the table, we have two columns. The first column shows different times throughout the day, and the second column shows productivity for each time slot. We will use this data to create the scatter chart. First, select both the columns of the data, as we want the time to be our x-axis and productivity values to be on the y-axis. Go to Insert tab at the top of the Excel. In the Charts group, look at the scatter chart icon, which looks like dots scattered across a graph. Click on that and choose the first option, which is the basic scatter chart. Now that the scatter chart has been inserted, you will see dots representing each time slot and the corresponding productivity level. Let's make this chart clearer by customizing it. Right-click on the chart and choose Select Data. Make sure that the X values, the time is selected, and for the Y values, the productivity values are selected. To make it easier to read, let's also add axis titles. Click on the chart, then go to the Chart Elements button, the plus icon on the top right corner. Check Axis Titles and add titles for both the horizontal and vertical axis. For the x-axis, let's name it Time of the Day, and for the y-axis, let's name it Productivity. Now let's improve the look of our chart a bit more. You can adjust the color of the dots or their size by right-clicking on any of the dots and selecting Format Data Series. Here you can change the marker options, adjust the size and change the colors to make the chart more visually appealing. With the scatter chart now complete, you can easily see how the productivity varies throughout the day. For instance, we can observe that the productivity peaks around 9 am and 3 pm, while it lowers at 12 pm and 5 pm. This type of chart helps in quickly spotting trends and patterns in your data. You can further modify it by going to Change Chart Type option and try selecting each of this scatter chart like this. And that's it. You have now created a scatter chart in Excel, which helps you visualize the relationship between two variables, in this case time and productivity. See here some of the samples with good formatting styles for your reference. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.